Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel 99 In this video, we will do complete analysis of both the indices Nifty and Bank Nifty. We will try to see the important levels for the coming week as well as for the next trading session, that is for the Monday's trading session. Let's start our analysis with Nifty. Here I am using daily chart of Nifty. Nifty has given a straight move of 900 points in the last 9 trading sessions. It has given a straight move of 900 points from its low. Also, if you observe all the day candles, that is starting from this candle, every day candle closed above its previous day close. All the 9 day candles closed above its previous day's close. Also, we can see that this downtrend line is holding this complete downtrend since December. Now this downtrend line is broken here. That is, this candle has given a breakout above this downtrend line. Also, if we see, since this is a straight move, this move will get a correction, because as we know, every impulsive move has a correction. Impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. In the same way, for this impulsive move, we may expect a correction. If the correction comes, till where will it come, and what will be the important support for Nifty in the next week? For that, we need to shift the time frame. Before shifting the time frame, let's also see this area. This area has been a important support for Nifty in the previous weeks, and after the Nifty has broken this support, now the same area has become resistance for Nifty, because last time when Nifty came to test this level, it has given a rejection from this level and it has given a straight fall from this resistance area. Again, Nifty is in the same area, that is anywhere between 17,850, this area, to 18,000. This area will act as resistance for Nifty in the coming weeks. If the correction comes, for this impulsive move, if the correction comes, till where will the correction come, and what are the important supports for Nifty in the coming week? For that, let's shift the time frame to lower time frame. That is, we'll shift the time frame to hourly. This is the impulsive move of Nifty that we have seen in the daily time frame. You can see here this swing low. That is, Nifty has never came below this swing lows. To confirm the correction, last swing low, that is, the last swing low is near 17,729. Let's take it as 17,700. If Nifty on Monday's trading session comes below this 17,700, then we can say that Nifty is ready for a correction. So for this impulsive move, if Nifty trades below 17,700, then our downside targets will be this swing low, that is 17,600, and the second target will be this swing low, that is near 17,500, and our third target will be 17,400, this swing low. Nifty trades below 17,700, our downside targets are 17,600, 17,500 and 17,400. 17,300 to 17,400 will act as important support for Nifty this week, because for this complete impulsive move, this 17,400 is the 50% correction. This week is from 17,850 to 18,000, and the support for Nifty this week is from 17,300 to 17,400. Now let's see the analysis of Bank Nifty. Here in Bank Nifty, I am using the daily chart of Bank Nifty here. As we have seen in the Nifty, in the same way in Bank Nifty also, this downtrend line is holding the Bank Nifty's downtrend for the long time, that is for the last 4 months, from December 18th or something like that. And here Bank Nifty has given a breakout of this downtrend line and also this swing high and this swing high. Bank Nifty has also given a straight move of 3,000 points, that is from 39,000 change to it has moved till 42,000. Also, it sustained above this downtrend line and above this swing high and above this swing high. Important levels for Bank Nifty this week is, if the corrections comes from this level, that is from the 42,000 level, then our downside targets will be, the first target will be 41,780 and the second target will be 40,780. After testing these levels, the support area, rebounds from this level, that is, it may resume its uptrend from this level after testing this level, then we can see a strong move above this 42,000 levels.